Hello, COM 130. I'm Vicki Capson, and I've really enjoyed this class, although it's been very, very hard. I've enjoyed sharing the journey with you talented and creative people. When looking through the print ads to choose one for the final project, this M&M ad jumped out at me because of its bright, bold colors and the simplicity of it. I've chosen to title it, Everything Great Starts with M, Spring Campaign. The original ad uses bright, bold colors that are iconic of M&Ms, contrasted on the bright yellow background, reinforcing the primary colors. The ad is very symmetrical with the vertical alignment of the M's and then the horizontal alignment of the words. It's also very symmetrical in that everything is centered. The text on the M's is a slab serif in contrast with the words, which are sans serif. The M's are the same as in the logo. My new ad, I decided to highlight the peanut M&Ms. The text is the same. The colors are the bright primary colors used in the original ad, with the addition of the yellow package on the bottom, which mutes the original logo just a bit. The alignment is the same. The M's, of course, are a different size because they're oblong instead of round, because to represent the peanut M&Ms. And then the weight of the package at the bottom changes the alignment just slightly. The text is the same, using the bold for the M's and the sans serif for the words. I wanted to use this little peanut guy, but he didn't seem to fit with the original ad, so I used him for my last page. I think this was a great experience, having to go back and forth between Photoshop and the InDesign programs. And again, I just want to say how much I really enjoyed looking at all of your creative ads as we've gone through this semester. Thank you for watching.